In the next few minutes, you will understand what Forex is. Forex is very simple. Don't let the English or grammar confuse you. What is Forex? Forex is simply buying and selling of currencies. Full stop. That is it. You are buying and selling currencies. Imagine yourself like a bureau de change. Those guys at the airport that when you come to change your dollars for you, change your pounds for you. That is what you are doing while you're trading Forex. You're basically buying a particular currency or selling a particular currency. And that is Forex. When you hear people say Forex, 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 don't get confused. It's just a simple term for foreign exchange or financial markets. Basically, you are buying and selling currencies. It's not just currencies, okay? You can sell other things. You can buy and sell stocks. You can buy and sell shares. You can buy and sell commodities. You can buy and sell gold, silver, platinum. The idea is that you are buying and selling. So when you hear the Forex market, in a layman's term, it's simply buying and selling. That is Forex.